Happy Thursday, Wolverines! I hope you're doing awesome on all your classes, that you're watching your reinforcement videos, you're doing your worksheets for your teachers, you're doing your math work as well, you read aloud so you can also keep practicing the reading and understanding what you're reading. And right now, are you ready to have some fun for science? Yes, and we're going to start off with a song, my friends, because it's almost Friday. So let's go ahead and have fun and keep learning about what scientists do and how to make observations. Alrighty, let's go ahead and start with our video. Hi.
Evidence is like a clue that something is true. Scientists collect evidence through observations and experiments. Scientists use evidence to understand the world around us. Around us. We need evidence to help us support our ideas. The more evidence we have, the stronger our idea is. Scientists use evidence to understand the world around us. Around us. Evidence is like a clue that something is true. Scientists collect evidence through observations and experiments. Scientists use evidence to understand the world around us. Around us.
All right, and remember how we had talked about that you can observe every single thing around you. See, the song told you. Now let's keep learning. Now we're going to read the book that we read on Monday. We're going to read it again. Ready?
What is Science? By Rebecca Kai Dotlich, illustrated by Sachiko Yoshikawa. What is science? So many things. The study of stars and Saturn's rings. The study of rocks, geoids and stones, dinosaur fossils, and old chipped bones. The study of soil, of oil and gas, of sea and sky, of seed and grass, of wind and hurricanes that blow, volcanoes, tornadoes, earthquakes, and snow.
Snow.
What is science? The study of trees,
What?
of butterflies, and honeybees,
Go with that.
glaciers, geysers, clay, and sand, mighty mountains, and rolling land. The power of trains, of planes that soar. Science is this and so much more. So, into the earth and into the sky. We question the how, the where, when, and why. We question,
See, we question, we wonder, and we ask how, where, when, and why, right? Remember in our video with Moby, she was asking what do they eat? So that's one of the questions. How, where, when, and why?
wonder, we hunt, and explore. The secrets of caves, the dark ocean floor. The oldest of rivers, the tombs of kings. What is science? So many things.
So so many things, and we have learned this week. We've been observing a little bit of everything, right? And also you've been doing your observations and at home. Very good at that, my friends. Let's keep
Joining
learning.
us, guys, and remember.
Now, science. I want you to look very carefully. We're going to go through some scientists. We're going to go over what kind of scientists they are. All right, look at these scientists. They're wearing their gear to be safe for their clothes and eyes. Now let's see other scientists. Archaeologists. They observe the bones, like the dinosaur bones or any other bones they might find. So their job is to dig and find stuff and observe it and study them. That's how we know a lot of things about dinosaurs, because of archaeologists. They observe all the bones. Ready for our next one? Astronomer. What? That's science too? Yes, that is science. That's how we know a lot about space and the galaxy, because of astronomers. They go to space, they go and observe there, and then they come back to Earth, and then they tell us about their observations. A biologist. What is that? That looks like a snake. How scary. She's very brave. Biologists, my friends, they study the things that are live, like animals, plants. They also study the people, our body. Biologists. Some of the biologists can be veterinarians. They can be also doctors and nurses. Those are biologists. Next, scientist is the chemist. Chemist, and they find formulas, but they have to be very, very safe. I want you to look at him. He's wearing his goggles. He's wearing his gloves, because some things can burn either his eyes or his hands. So we need to be very, very carefully when we're mixing things. Next one is a geologist. Geologists, they study rocks. What? Yes, and some of the rocks are in a volcano. Look, you see him at a volcano that he's studying over there to see what's happening with the lava. Is how fast can get to people, or if we're safe. So, and not only volcanoes, my friends, any kind of rocks. Okay, so look at him, silly. His nose is going through his magnifying glass. Okay, the next on the next one, my friends. Here we can see, these are our own observations. I'm bringing you some things that you can observe today. With us, with me, you can bring your piece of paper right now and do your observation. Yeah, you can pick the beans, the rock, the leaf if you want to, or after you're done with me with the video, you can go ahead and walk around and do your observation either inside the house, outside the house, whatever the adult at your house lets you do. Alrighty. Excuse me. And for my friends at school, I'm also bringing you things to observe here on the screen, so you don't have to go outside and do stuff. But if you want to wait until you get home, you can go ahead and do that as well. Okay, Wolverines, it was a pleasure seeing you on this Thursday. Keep working super duper hard, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.